In this video, we will go through a tour of the Amplitude Audiences user interface. First, let's take a look at a simple workflow that you might go through as a marketer in Amplitude Audiences. You'll start out creating an audience through segmentation. There are different ways to do this in Amplitude Audiences. You can create a behavioral cohort based off of users' past actions in your product, or a computation, which creates a subset of users based on a computed user property. Then you can personalize based on what you want users to do next, by using predictions, which will let you build cohorts based off of your users' likelihood to do something, and for e-commerce or marketplace companies, recommendations for recommending individual users items that are most relevant to them. Collectively, we'll refer to behavioral cohorts, computations, predictions, and recommendations as objects that you can then deliver to a downstream destination. You can do this with automated or on-demand syncs, or directly through the Cohorts and Profile API. Now let's look at where these features can be found in Amplitude. Navigate to the Audiences area of Amplitude by clicking here in the top toolbar. On the left-hand navigation, you can see the three core parts of your workflow: segmentation, personalization, and delivery. In the home screen of Audiences, you'll be able to see what objects you're syncing and their destination. Clicking on the link takes you to the definition of the cohort, computation, prediction, or recommendation, where you can copy the object to modify its definition, share it, or do other actions. Back on the home screen, you can see your most recent API calls. Clicking on the user ID takes you to the user and account lookup page. Your most recently created objects show up as panels in the Recent section of the homepage.